Okay, the lighting's not all that great right now, but still, by rotating it, I am still dead center. But here's the issue. Okay, now right now, I got it fairly tight, and that's not with doing this. No, now it's loose. Okay, I got a lot of play in it. Okay, I can set the set screw, but when you set this set screw and you get it snug, take that play out, there's still a little bit more play in there. So somehow or another I need to bush this, because if I was to go run a tap or run a drill bit into something, that thing, I mean, there's quite a bit of play. And you can't run the quill out with it locked down. So, trying to fix that. But as it is, suckers dead on it, up and down, and side to side. And I didn't use no shims. What I did is I went back and all I did was rotate the collet and the quill. So I'm confused. I need to figure this out right in here. Got to be a way to bush this thing. Alright, keep it straight with no play. But other than that, I ain't gonna be using it, other than putting this little center on there, right there. If I can't get that fixed, I won't be doing any tapping. Not from that direction anyway. So we'll figure it out. Other than that, I'm digging it. It's awesome. Peace, y'all.